Page 64, Jesus and the Little Children. So this is just another piece where we got more practice at playing at the level where we're playing it. In the first line, you notice all the notes are in the bottom staff, so the left hand's going to play those. And the second line, all the notes are in the upper staff, so the right hand's going to play those. 4/4 time, so a quarter note gets a count, half note gets 2 counts. Is there a whole? Yeah, there's a whole note at the end that gets 4 counts. Well, there's a repeat sign at the end, so we're going to play it twice. Because there's 2 sets of words. If you want to sing it, then you can sing both sets of words. And there's phrasing, so just between each phrase, you just lift up and down. So it's simple, like the first few measures here. It's down for the half notes, and then when I finish with the second half note, I'm going to lift up before I play the next one, so there's some silence. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So a little, just a little. It's a very small motion. I'm exaggerating it for the camera, but that's the idea. Now, at the beginning, you see between the stabs there's a big F. That means forte, which means loud. So we're going to play it loud. They have a forte in the second line, but it's unnecessary because you're already loud. But they put it there, I guess, to help you out, to let you know each line is that way. Music, normally you don't get that. Just because it's a new line doesn't mean you get a new dynamic level given. You give it a dynamic level, and that's good until it changes. And in this thing, the whole thing is loud. Now, that doesn't mean you have to play it all loud. That doesn't make any sense, does it? But that's music for you. It simply means overall it's loud. You can get a little louder and softer as you're doing these things. You feel that. I can't really teach you how to feel something. It's an inner thing. You feel it. Once you get to know the music, you'll feel it. But overall, it's loud. So let's try this together. I'll go give us 4 counts and we'll play it. And we will play it twice because it's repeated. So go ahead and put both hands where they go. You're still in C position. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. There's a duet part at the bottom. I'd like to play that while you play what we just played. But I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C went up to here and play everything up here. Your hands are up here. So you just do it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts, so let's play it together, and we are going to repeat it. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4, off.